Hi, I'm trying to give you some quick advice how to fill the data. I want you to remember that we have 3 different questionnaires. So this is the yellow questionnaire, and you need to fill the answers here. Remember that items 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are supposedly measuring from 1 to 100 or 1 to 10. So it measures millimeters. So this is 10 centimeters or 100 millimeters, 200, 300, 400. And that's why if I have put something like here, my score here is 50 and 50 and 50 and 50, 200. So my total score here will be 200 out of 400. So if that's here, for example, 32, and here is 82, and here it is 50, and here it is 60. We have 50 and 60, 110 and 82 and 32, another 120 something. So it's your number here will be 224, for example. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Those who understand, could you please explain the others? The same questionnaire here has more answers. So the first one was checking thought processing. The second one is checking attention. And because this is 100, the score is out of 100. So if you tick here, in the same way will be 87, 83, 11, whatever. And the same understanding. So here you will have grade, your score will be out of 400. Here it will be out of 100, out of 100. And when you open your Excel, let me open the Excel so I can show you what I'm talking about. The orange group has to open that orange, and the green group has to open that. You see, green group, that's the. So you put your code here, your ID, you put your heart rate here, and here, for example, you have like 224, and here you put 57, and here you put 39, and eventually it will have your average. So please don't change or write anything here because you will destroy the formula. So in the same way, the other questionnaire will help you to, let me go to the next questionnaire. Questionnaire 2 is attitude, is checking behavior, is checking cognition and emotions, feelings, which is like the affective component. So resistance and self-efficacy and assertiveness are the issues we check on questionnaire 2. So here you have to add the answers, for example, in item 7 and item 8, or item 9 and item 10 together. So, in simple words, I think I need to have something to highlight. This one here and this, the score on that will give you the B total here. Do we understand that? So, for example, here I have 4 and now I have 6. My total will be 4 and 6, 10. And that's how you actually, oh, sorry, I was in a different spot. So item 1 is 4 and the item 1 is 6 equals 10 total. Are we okay with that? It is easy once you get or read the instructions here. Last but not least, I want to focus on question 3, because question 3 is discussing not resistance, assertiveness, commitment, or attitudes to use of tobacco, what we're checking our characteristics as a result of the influence we have in our life. So current is the current behavior I have towards smoking. So am I smoker or not smoker? And this is not normalization, means the attitudes I have developed because my friends, my family and others are smoking. So I think it is normal to smoke. Therefore, I've been modeled a behavior. This is a little bit peculiar on how you enter your answers. Let me go to questionnaire, let me go to questionnaire 3. So here you have to choose only one answer, and here you have to say yes or no, and this is your score. If you have choose A, you get 0. If you choose B, you have 1. If you have chosen C, it's 2. And therefore, when you enter your data, for example, somebody enters 1, somebody else 2, somebody else 3, the average will be peculiar because we want the mean score. Okay, and we're going to compare at the end the mean score of this group and the mean score of that group. Yeah, we will see the difference in the mean scores per group, per way of route of persuasion. This is what I would like to tell you. Remember that in normalization, you have to add all these scores on the answers 2, 3, and 4 if it is a yes or no. So you have to have the total of yeses. Yep. That's it. We are going to have fun with this, and I hope you will be enjoying actual research. I will make you believers at the end of research. See you. Have a nice break. Of me, I mean.